away this time.
Wait! I'm loading!
You take out the glass, I'll flame it.
Fuck's sake, will people stop running in front of me?
Close enough. I got it.
Oh. Works there.
On your 6, Dan. Running up.
Killed it. I was spraying everywhere.
What's she left? Moving.
Go on, mate, I got you covered. Pushing behind.
I haven't got an incendiary, by the way, so I'm going to plant this one.
Reload, Chris, there's 2 behind me. Thank you, mate.
Only one came out.
Yeah, that's what was cool. Okay.
Right, you Chris. One to your left, Chris.
Oh, I got 1. 2 more on the stairs.
I'm dead, I'm dead. Oh, these guys are just shit.
We can just jump.
I would like to try and finish this one off, just to see how it goes.
Yeah.
Right, okay.
It's fucking using a Mosin arm
Loading!
on this map.
Fuck! No!
Fourth today.
Alright, wait! Reloading!
Third today.
3rd of the 4th today.
Yeah, sorry. My apologies.
Ah,
Ah, what a mess!
oh, and now they're both standing there, they're both planting it.
Both about to die. And they both stopped planting.
Ah! Loading weapon! Explosive is out!
Blow themselves up, man. Watch this.
I'm ready! I can't do my job unless I have a commander!
You guys just gonna finish off our support here? Is that it?
Wait! I'm loading!
Friendly fire! Friendly fire!
That was my fault.
I did run in front of him as well, but he was shooting at no one.
I'm on target!
I really need to learn the buttons in this game again.
Shit! Incoming!
I'm uninjured!
I'm okay!
Someone help!
Reloading.
Flame grenade out!
I need to
Can't
know!
see, smoked.
Okay! Grenade!
Ah, someone's flame gone out.
That was me.
That's fine, I was just literally putting shells into it. just
I'm
to make
dead.
Sure.
Not too sure where from.
Five seconds.
Cavalry's 41 is just standing there doing nothing again.
Go.
Reloading!
Come on, come down the stairs. Come comes down the stairs. Come down the stairs.
We're missing our commander. Where are they?
106 done.
There's someone moving there. Oh, I see you. That's cool.
Okay.
Oh, there's one on the stairs to my right, Chris.
Yeah, do you not see him?
I didn't see him come up the stairs. I didn't even see him move.
Wow. We all saw that guy.
Oh my god, I'm
Wait,
covering
hang
from
on!
3 angles here.
Yeah. Seconds.
Cover me.
Watch out! I'm throwing a grenade.
Good shooting, Chris.
Stop shooting me. What the fuck is wrong with you? Shit.
Reloading here.
Hey,
Two weapons right.
Go rush it.
okay, covering you. I've got incendiary if you want me to.
Already done it.
Go. Nice work.
Should have picked up more box ammo. Never mind.
I'm full.
I'm not. I'm on the last box. I don't know where he is.
Watch the middle door, guys.
I'm going rushing there now.
Okay, I'm gonna head for the point then.
I'll go for
Cool. Capturing.
Set up.
Man,
I'll be there to join you in a second, Chris.
Counterattack incoming.
Before we move, patch me over.
Fuck! Some dickhead shot me.
You in good position, Dan? By the sounds of it, yes.
and I've got like 3 guys running around me.
So you
don't
sort of
stand
have
in my
support
way.
then.
Yeah. It's all well and good until they start running into me.
I'm with you. I'm with you.
Oh, I'm being smoked. Oh my god.
Dead.
No, I'm alive. By like 4 of them and I didn't see them until I was smoke, which is basically what they did in my face.
Right.
barrel was pointed at the crotch, it was okay.
Oh, actually, I have a friendly next to me. Didn't even realise that.
Shooting. Give him his dues, he's saving my ass right now.
How you doing, Don?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm just watching these idiots die. They're going to win it, but one of them's just been fucked up. Yeah, that was lucky, wasn't it? Yeah, there you go. Just watching them run around and knew they killed a few people, but I knew they were going to die. You could just see it coming. One
Yeah.
got shot and the other got flame grilled.
47 kills. Fucking hell, Dan.
It works there.
59 to 8 total.
36 to 9. Great.
Go on then, Dan. What do you get?
82 to 8.
Nice.
Fucking hell, mate. Nice one. We gonna stay with these guys, or
I don't mind either or.
they did seem to get a bit better. I don't want to do power plant. I'm fed up with that one. Hideout.
I put plough plant, so.
Oh, right. Okay.
No, you don't have to change it, mate. Play whatever you want.
No, I'm sick with checkpoint. Hideout. Security. Just because.
Fair enough. I haven't played much Insurgents on PowerPoint, so I fancy it.